Welcome to Engine Power. Today's build is all stroker Mopar. We are taking their 360-inch small block all the way out to 408 cubic inches. And we're going to accomplish that with some solid internals and some stellar flowing induction. And it will run on pump gas and crank out some big power. We will also need to do some custom machining to it to make it all work. Now, normally we would have to send that out to get it done, but not anymore. Last week, just before I found my razor, we had a special delivery here in the shop. Machining is the cornerstone of almost every industry, and in our world, the machining never stops. Now, we're always making or fixing tools and parts for our project, and this can range from the simple bracketry all the way up to making specialty fasteners. Now, to get this stuff done in a timely manner, we really needed some in-house capabilities. That's why we can't be happier to announce our partnership with MSC Industrial. They've been supporting the machining industry for over 75 years, and their big book has over 4,400 pages and weighs almost 10 pounds. They offer everything from raw materials, safety supplies, abrasives, measuring equipment, and of course, a gigantic selection of tooling and complete milling and turning machinery.
See over there, it's fine.
Yep. Joining us for the initial setup of the equipment was Larry Costigan and Perry Milanese, who play important roles at MSC. Perry is the metalworking business manager, and Larry is the machinery customer support manager. Next is MSC's Vectrax 1660 heavy-duty production gap bed lathe. Now, what a gap bed lathe is, there's a section of lathe that's closest to the chuck that is actually removable, so you can turn oversized parts. And in this case, one's up to 26 inches in diameter. Now, this brute has a 7.5 horse motor, precision Timken bearings throughout, a 9-inch 3-jaw chuck, and has an RPM range from 36 to 2,000 RPM.
This lathe also is equipped with a taper attachment. We put a digital readout on this. Great, solid machine.
MSC is excited to be part of the Engine Power team. We think it's a perfect fit with our business and your viewers. From manufacturers to auto enthusiasts or home hobbyists, we've got everything that they need.
The stock big block rocker spacers needed 160 thousandths removed, so we'll switch over to the lathe and cut them to size. After the initial setup, the DRO makes it very easy to repeat the same size with extreme accuracy. The rockers are now riding where they're supposed to, in the center of the valve tip. Our new Vectrax machinery made it a snap to do here in-house, and with the heads all fixed up, it's time to assemble this little beast.